Question 9 reads, if 3x plus n is equal to x plus 1, what is n in terms of x? We can solve this problem by making up numbers, meaning we're going to make up a number for the variables in the question. To make up numbers, remember that you shouldn't use 0 or 1 or a number already in the problem. And of course, you also need to fit the constraints of the problem. So we're going to make up a number for n because it doesn't have any constraints on it. So the number I'm going to make up for n is n equals 5. Now that I've said n equals 5, I should be able to solve for x. So 3x plus 5, because I've made up 5 for n, is equal to x plus 1. I'll subtract an x from both sides. 2x plus 5 equals 1. I'll subtract 5 from both sides. 2x equals negative 4, and get x equals negative 2. So, what is the question actually asking? Remember, when you make up numbers, you don't have to worry about this in terms of part. The question is just, what is n? Well, what is n? We made it up. It's 5. So we know the answer to the question is 5. Of course, none of the answer choices say 5, they all have x's in them. But we also know that x is equal to negative 2. So in order to find the correct answer, we're going to plug in negative 2 for x and see which of the answer choices equals 5. So if I plug in negative 2 for x in A, I'll get negative 8 plus 1, or negative 7. Moving on to B, if I plug in negative 2, I'll get negative 4 plus 1, or negative 3. If I move on to C, I'll get 2 minus negative 2, or 4. D is 1 minus 2x, or 1 minus negative 4, which is 5. That's what we want, but we're going to keep going just in case. We get 1 minus 4x for E. 4x will be negative 8. 1 minus negative 8 is 9. So the answer we want is D. And that's how you do it. Please continue to check out more Mindfish videos.